हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स आपण मानकर ओ ट्रिपल एस रे पार्ट 1 वीडियो मु अपलोड कर सारी एटा पार्ट 2 वीडियो अबाउट कंप्यूटर नॉलेज। लेट अस स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, MICR technology used for clearance of checks by banks refers to आपनकर जो MICR कोडटा बैंक रे यूज होची क्लोज पई तार फुल फॉर्म कोन अछि। क्वेश्चन अछि MICR रो फुल फॉर्म कोन अछि। तार आंसर कोन अछि मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्नाइजेशन। मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्नाइजेशन। द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन सेकंड क्वेश्चन जोटा कि आपनकर मैक्सिमम एग्जाम रे आसी। चीप कंपोनेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर वाज। चीप कंपोनेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर मीन्स आपन प्रथम जनरेशन कंप्यूटर चीप कौन थिला जोटा कि कंपोनेंट दुईटा। आंसर वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स एंड वाल्व्स। आंसर वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स एंड वाल्व्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, कंप्यूटर साइज वाज वेरी लार्ज इन व्हिच जनरेशन। कंप्यूटर साइज वाज वेरी लार्ज। आंसर फर्स्ट जनरेशन। इन फर्स्ट जनरेशन the computer size was very large. Question number 4, numbers of function keys on the keyboard. Numbers of function keys on the keyboard means how many number function keys on the keyboard. Answer 12. Answer 12. Question number 5, 1 terabyte 1 TB is equal to how much GB. Answer 1024 GB. 1024 GB. Question number 6, how many bits is equal to 1 nibble. How many bits is equal to 1 nibble. Answer 4 bits. 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. ALU stands for means ALU full form arithmetic logic unit. ALU means arithmetic logic unit. Question number 8, a byte can hold one of data. Answer a byte can hold one of data. Answer character. Answer होची character. Question number 9, which number system is usually followed in typically 32 bits computer. Which number system is usually followed in typically 32 bits computer. Answer number 2. Answer number 2. Question number 10, the reading speed of MICR is about. The reading speed of MICR which is in computer speed is 2400 dpi. 2400 dpi. IBM stands for. The shortcut keys maximum exam रे आसे यार फुल फॉर्म कौन अछि बाय stands for आसंतु किसी जानिबा। IBM stands for International Business Machines. International Business Machines. Question number 12, RAM RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Random Access Memory. SMPS stands for switched mode power supply. Switched mode power supply. Very easy question but important question. Full form of PC. Full form of PC. Answer personal computer. PC means personal computer. What is the meaning of VGA? VGA stands for. VGA stands for video graphic array. It refers to specific of display hardware. Okay, VGA stands for video graphic array. Question number 16, important question. Approximately 1 million byte is equal to. Approximately 1 million byte is equal to 1 MB. Answer 1 MB. In computers, modifier key in general keyboard. Modifier key in general keyboard. 3 answer 3टा अछि आपनकर CHY shift and alt. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 वैलिड स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी ऑफ डीवीडीज मीन्स आकु आप जो डीवीडी आसूला तार वैलिडी स्टोरेज केते थिला गोटे हला 4.7 GB एंड 9.4 GB 4.7 GB एंड 9.4 GB 19 नंबर क्वेश्चन स्टाइलस इज a dash device is a input device stylus is a input device maximum दुटा डिवाइस আছে গোটে হলা इनपुट और आउटपुट एटे क्वेश्चन थला स्टाइलस मैक्सिमम आउटपुट स्टाइलस इज व्हिच टाइप ऑफ डिवाइस इज इनपुट डिवाइस क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 the man who built the first mechanical calculator was the man who built the first mechanical calculator was answer Blaise Pascal. Question number 21. The brain of computer. The head of computer. Answer CPU. It means CPU means central processing unit. Question number 22. Father of C programming language. Answer Dennis Ritchie. The Dennis Ritchie. 23 number question. The chief component of first generation computer. It is the most important question, so it repetitively. Vacuum tubes and valves. Question number 24. ALU means arithmetic logic unit. Perform which type of in CPU? It perform simple math. ROM stands for read only memory. Question number 26. What is ISO 9362 related to the contextual to banking technology? What is ISO 9362? Answer Swift. Swift transfer to Swift code. Full form of KB kilobyte. Question number 27. Full form of KB kilobyte. Linux is computer word. Linux is an dash operating system. It's open source operating system. Linux is an open source operating system. WORM stands for write once read many. Virus. So funny question. Virus stands for vital information resource under siege. DOS stands for disk operating system. Is a single user. It also a single user. Answer disk operating system. Question number 32. FTP stands for FTP means file transfer protocol. LAN stands for local area network. Exactly. Question number 33. The server on the internet is also known as host. Answer host. An online transaction is one that is done in real time. Answer one that is done in real time. It is most important question. Full form of WWWC means W3C. Answer World Wide Web Consortium. Question number 36. What is the name of the first ISP in India? Answer BSNL. Not BSNL. BSNL. Full form of PSTN. PSTN ला आपन फुल फॉर्म कोन अछि? public switched telephone network. Public switched telephone network. Exactly. Question 38. Full form of ISDN. Integrated Service Digital Network. Integrated Services Digital Network. Computer use the dash number system. Answer binary number system. Computers use binary number system. कौन पर यूज करे? टू स्टोर डाटा एंड परफॉर्म कैलकुलेशंस. टू स्टोर डाटा एंड परफॉर्म कैलकुलेशन. कौन सा नंबर सिस्टम? बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम. It question is about internet. While browsing internet, switch off the following for full screen view. आपण जिते पीसी रे देखुतांती से फुल स्क्रीन व्यू पे कौन यूज करंती? F11 की, F11 की. ओके. The most important question. Buy now, pay now. Buy now, pay now. Used in commonly debit card. Buy now, pay now is used in debit card. Most important question. Internet was first developed in which year? Internet was first developed in which year? In 1960. In 1960, internet was first developed. How many layers are there in USI reference model? USI reference model कितने layers थे? Totally 7 layers. Answer 7 layer. An internet address is dash bits in length. An internet address is 32 bits in length. Answer 32. Firewall. Firewall used in communication network to save. आपनकर फायरवॉल टा जो यूज्ड कौन पाई होची? अनऑथराइज्ड अटैक. अनऑथराइज्ड अटैक. आंसर अनऑथराइज्ड अटैक. क्वेश्चन नंबर आपनकर कौन आछि? ए डिवाइस used to carry digital data on analog links by lines is known as. A device used to carry digital data on analog lines is known as modem. Is known as modem. Question number 47. Which protocol is used by internet mail? Which protocol is used by internet mail? Answer HTTP. HTTP. What topology? What topology that is used in MANET? What topology? Answer mesh topology. Answer mesh topology. जिमित आम लेन जानिले एबे जानिबे मेन कौन पान कौन. व्हाट इज मेन? इट मीन्स मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. व्हाट इज पान? पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क. पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क. The lowest computer language is called machine language. The lowest computer language is known as machine language. In MS Word, Word Excel जानी थी तो in MS Word 2017. In MS Word 2007, which key is used for checking grammar and spelling? को कीटा ग्रामर और स्पेलिंग चेकिंग पे यूज हुए ना. की नंबर F7. की नंबर F7 in MS Word 2007. Who developed Fortran language? Who developed Fortran language? John Backus. John Backus developed Fortran language. Question number 54, 59 answer. Data going into the computer is called. Data going into the computer is called input. Question number 50. COBOL. COBOL is used widely for why? Commercial application. COBOL is used in for commercial application. आज आपण मैं 50 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट कले. केमिति ना गला निश्चित माथा मत देबे. थर्ड वीडियो रे मु आउ 100 क्वेश्चन मिक्सिंग नहीं के कंप्यूटर रे. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग